Hey guys, I just got back from my early morning walk, and on my way coming back home, I had this burning sensation to start sharing some of my university experiences slash stories with you, as I'm also returning to uni myself. I know it's the last week of September, and inshallah, we're looking forward to the beginning of October. Many schools in Nigeria and across the world will be resuming new academic section. Freshmen, returning students will be going back to school. It's usually a roller coaster of emotion, particularly for new students. Friendship is always a priority. Friendship is always top on your list. Today, I will be sharing with you how to navigate friendships on university campus. Back in 2008, I was just like you, excited, confused, nervous, a burst of emotion. 15 years, the nostalgia, oh my goodness. The journey from then till now has been quite a ride. Back then, I had no clue about what the future held, but one thing I knew for sure was that friendship made in the university were like treasure. More often than not, they shape the person you become. And with you, things to watch out for to ensure that you make healthy and meaningful relationships. Number one on my list will be authenticity. Be authentic, be yourself, be genuine. Make sure you're who you say you are and don't claim or present yourself to be who you are not. Two on my list will be share values and interest. Watch out for friends who share similar goals, values, and interests with you. When you make friends who share common grounds with you, it's just you building the foundation for long-lasting relationship. Number three on my list will be peer pressure. Be cautious of peer pressure. Don't feel the need to engage in activities that do not align with your values or your goals just to fit in. Honestly, true friends will respect your choices. Number four on my list will be toxic relationship. Please be on a lookout. Be on a lookout. Shine your eyes for toxic friendship. Understand the traits of toxic friendship. When a person is constantly negative, manipulative, disrespectful, among other things, please ensure you distance yourself. Distance yourself from such people for the sake of your own mental well-being. Lastly on my list will be balance, give and take. Balanced give and take. Ensure that you're mutually supportive of one another every step of the way. It is unhealthy for anybody to expect to keep collecting without giving. If you are the other person as well, ensure you're giving out and not just collecting. Don't be selfish about your relationship. If somebody is offering help to you, make sure you're able to also render, if not the same level, but try your possible best to be able to offer something to the other person. If you're having challenges navigating your friendship around university, refer to your internet big sis. I'll see you guys in school. Don't forget to follow me on here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.